Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome, and I am going to announce the winner from my Mask Monday from last Monday, which was the 24th of October, I believe. And I did a Mask Monday collab with Kim's A Little of a Lot. And I have chosen my winner, and it's for a few sheet masks. And I'm also going to swatch this beautiful palette that I received from Busy Beauty. My Busy Beauty mystery bag that I got, that I did a collab, a battle with Laura the Bargain Hunter. And I got this gorgeous palette and I want to swatch it. It's from ColourPop and it's called Glow Getter. There was a series of flying bugs. I think this is a moth, and there was, I think, a honeybee and maybe a butterfly. And I do have the honeybee that I received as a gift from a subscriber, and then I don't have the other one. But I can't remember what all was in that grouping, but it doesn't matter. I love this palette, so I wanted to swatch it. So the winner for the Mask Monday is Michelle Nylander, and I'll put her picture at the end of the video so you can see. Michelle Nylander, please get with me, and you have won the sheet masks. And thank you all for going over and seeing Kim's A Little of a Lot video and watching my video and participating in the giveaway. It was a lot of fun. And check tomorrow because I have another Mask Monday giveaway with Kim's Happy Place. That will be, for Halloween, for the last day of October. Cannot believe it. It's going to be November. So anyway, I wanted to tell you who the winner was, and since that would only take a couple of moments, I thought, well, let's take this opportunity to swatch a palette. So let's look at this. I got so many things in that Busy Beauty bag. It was a mystery bag that I didn't get to swatch things. There were just too many things. But look at that gorgeous packaging, y'all. This is ColourPop, is just, their packaging is gorgeous. And here's the back. And then even the inside is pretty. And then here is the palette. And now this might not have been a palette that I would have bought on my own. Honestly, with all the palettes that I get in boxes and stuff, I hardly ever buy anything on my own. But it's just, it's something that since I have it, I'm going to use it. But look at how pretty, if you can see the letters on there. It's just, their packaging is stunning. Okay, so when you open it up, there is no mirror. Oh, I was going to say there's a mirror. And there was a color saver, I think. Maybe there wasn't, but it's not here. So I don't know if I had unpacked so many things that day. I don't remember if I probably threw it aside or something. But look how gorgeous this is on the inside. Look at that. And there is a dragonfly, maybe? And it's raised a little bit, and the ColourPop is raised in silver. Isn't that gorgeous? And then here is the palette. Beautiful colors, beautiful neutrals, and I just love this kind of palette. So let's look at it. I know some people didn't love this palette, but I can see by looking at it that I'm going to. There are, let's see, the three in the middle here are shimmers. That's a shimmer. Matte. These are all mattes here. This is a matte. This one down here is, I should know what they call these, but I don't know. Can you see that? It's not quite a shimmer like these, but it's a matte with glitter in it. So I forget what that's called. I'll have to ask Andy from Andy Does Stuff, or Ash from Makeup and Chaos. They will know what that's called. I hear them say it, but I'm not retaining it. So, okay. All right. And I'll put any time I ever mention a channel, I usually always put them in the description. If I ever forget and you want to know something, ask me, okay? If you want to know somebody that I have mentioned. Okay, so there are 9. So let's see. Let me see what I can do. I'm going to swatch and try to tell you the names of the colors as I go. This one is called Signal. This is Flame Fatale, and that is a shimmer. It's sort of hard to tell right there. This is Dimmer, and this one is the one that I really love. It's called Glowworm, and that looks very, very light here. But here it is in the palette. So let's swatch those and see. They're very, very light. I don't know. For me, a lot of times swatching a palette really helps me know if I'm going to love the palette or not. Okay. So those are all very light colored. See that? That probably would come out darker. Let me see. Well, anyway, this one is this one. I don't know. They're very, very light. So I don't know if I'm going to love this palette. Let me get a wipe out of here. I did bring my wipes over to clean my fingers. Okay. So we'll try. We'll do the next 4. Whoops, I just stuck my finger in something there. 1, 2. There's that. Okay. This one is called Flashlight, and that's a shimmer. This is Flare. Looks darker in the pan. This is called Sundown. Now you see how that, it's like a matte, but then it has that glitter in there. And this one is Flicker. And I love all those shimmers. So those are a lot more pigmented. So, you know, mix and match and whatever, you know, work with them and build them. I guess people say build them. But I think that that'll make a nice makeup look. And then the last one is called Night, and it's very dark. I wouldn't say it's black, but it's, we'll see, it's looking black there, but it is maybe a very, very dark brown. Maybe it is black. Yeah, maybe it is black. Anyway, so I don't know. I like the neutrals, and then to me, how I would use this is probably I would use the neutrals and then this for highlighting. So these are very, very light. There is a little bit of fallout, but that is the palette. So thanks for staying to see the palette. If it's something, I really enjoy watching people swatch. I love to see, like I said, sometimes you see a palette and like, I'm not sure if I like that. But then when it swatches, you love it or you don't. Like this, I thought was going to swatch better. I'm okay with it. I mean, I'm going to use it. But I did think it was going to swatch better. But I think I remember Andy Does Stuff saying that this wasn't the best palette out of, you know, and ColourPop is usually pretty good. But, you know, not everything's perfect. So, anyway, thanks for stopping by and seeing this beautiful palette. And please congratulate Michelle below. And y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.